Good afternoon. I was asked to give some more help. I thought I did not give, I guess, quite enough clear instructions, but a lot of people were still missing homework 5 and quiz 1.2. And so, guys, whenever you're struggling, please let me know that day. Don't wait until the day that it's due. I'm giving you kind of a break right now. But you gotta let me know ahead of time. So we're taking a look at homework 5, and we have problems 10, 13, 16, and 17. Okay, so now we're starting with, okay, and I don't know why that went blurry all of a sudden. Okay, there we go. That's better. All right, so we're starting with problem number 10. Okay, and on number 10, we have if B is 2 more than 3 times the measure of C, and B and C are complementary, find the measure of each angle. All right, so I don't know anything about measure C, so I automatically have to give that an X. Measure B is 3x plus 2 because it is 2 more than 3 times the measure. So if the measure of angle C and the measure of angle B equal 90, then I plug those in. X plus 3x plus 2 equals 90, which is going to jump down here to where 4x plus 2 equals 90, subtract 2, and solve from there. So now you know that x is equal to 22. So you know the measure of angle C. Okay, now find B. And I think you guys collectively are doing well with that. All right, now here is 13. Okay, now I have drawn it this way to where on number 13, again homework 5, okay, I have this piece right here and I've labeled all the angles. Now I've got to figure out what x and what y are. Well, since this forms a line, then I know 5x minus 4 plus 7x minus 8 is equal to 180. Then combine my like terms. Okay, then divide by 12, and so I find x. So now if I know the value of x, I can plug it in right here. So if this is equal to this, because they're vertical angles, okay, then I can set it up like that, to where 7 times 16 minus 8 equals 9y plus 5. And then I'll let y'all solve for y. All right, and then on number 16, okay, and I don't know what happened there. Oh, there it is. Okay, so, all right, cover most of this up. All right, so the measure on number 16, okay, the measure of 1 and 2 form a linear pair. The measure of 2 is 6 more than twice the measure of 1. Okay, so if I know measure of 1 and the measure of 2 equal a linear pair, then I don't know anything about 1, so I'm labeling it as x, and angle 2 is 6 more than 2 times the measure of angle 1. That's how I would write that. And this is where you guys really have to start working on that part, because we're going to see this throughout the whole year. 6 more than 2 times this. 3 less than 4 times that. So now I'm going to solve 3x plus 6. Okay, and so I figure that x is 58. So now I know the measure of angle 1. Well, if I know the measure of angle 1, okay, I can now, since measure of angle 2 is this, I can now plug 58 in. All right, and then somebody asked about question 17. Again, that's on the video I posted on Saturday. So anyway, this is the homework 5, and I want to see everybody have that done by tomorrow, or I start taking points off.